Hey, Park Ranger Zoe. What's wrong?
I may have totally just destroyed the Dino bike.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. And whenever it breaks, it goes into lockdown mode, so I can't even... I can't even move it. Maybe you guys can help me fix it? You're the ones who made it, right?
Yeah? But we don't remember how. We used a manual from Park Ranger Aaron. And then we lost it.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'll just leave this behind for Park Ranger Darren to figure out. In the meantime, let's go back to our basics. Running. Let's do some drills!
Drills?
We have to be ready. Our gadgets malfunction all the time. We can't rely on them. Your dino sneaks, they're constantly running out of juice. We have to do our running exercises so that we can be ready for the dinos. They are getting faster. They are getting smarter. And we've almost been caught way too many times. Besides, when's the last time either of you did your exercises? You see? Let's go! Drills! Eight. Come on, let's go. 9. 10. Okay, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now you're gonna run. Go, go. Come on. Let's go. Run, run, run. Come on, let's go. Pick up the pace. That's right. Use your knees. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Rangers. Let's go. That's it. Ow.
Oops. Sorry. My bad.
Okay, maybe let's split up so that we don't run into each other.
Aren't we done yet? I'm tired, and I have new pranks to do on the Pteranodon, and new treats to hand out to the Stegosauruses.
And I have to update a photo of T-Bone into the Dino database. He's gotten way much bigger.
Yeah, we have so much stuff to do. Why are we running in circles?
Ugh, I know it's tiring, but we can't face the dinos until we're in tip-top shape. It's dangerous. Come on, next drill. Okay, I put rocks in these backpacks so that they would be heavier. There you go. Whoa. There you go. Come on, people, let's go, go, go. Exercise is key. You go this way, you go this way, I'll go that way. We'll all meet back here in 10 minutes. Break.
There. Now we can take a break and no one will know I'm here. And no interruptions.
Can we take a break now?
Yes, we earned it. Where's Park Ranger Asher?
I don't know. He's usually faster than you.
Call for Park Ranger Asher, do you copy? Park Ranger Asher? Hello? You okay? Hello? Park Ranger Asher, are you okay? I hope he's not hurt.
What if the Pteranodon got mad at his prank? Or even worse, he took him back to his nest.
Nah. Maybe. Let's go check. Oh, there! The Pteranodon is on that mountain.
Yeah, and there's a tiny nest. Are you sure Park Ranger Asher's up there?
Okay. Oh, I see it now. There is nothing in the nest. No Park Ranger Asher.
That's good. I guess.
Uh-oh. But the Pteranodon caught me spying on it. Run!
Why is it so territorial?
I don't know! I love it whenever I get visitors! Okay, come on, come on, come on! Oh my God. Whew. Why am I so out of breath? Maybe I really am that out of shape.
Park Ranger Zoe!
Yeah. Oh yeah, I totally forgot I put rocks in here. Duh. You check the Stegosaurus area, I'll check the T-Rex area. He mentioned both of those earlier, so maybe he's at one of them.
Yeah, hopefully he's in one piece. Asher! Park Ranger Asher! Come out, wherever you are! I know what will do the trick. Asher loves cookies. One sniff of this, and he'll be running in no time. Asher, I have cookies, your favorite, and I'm gonna eat them all by myself. But only one, because I'm an ice cream type of gal. They're so yummy. Oh, hey, Steggy. These aren't for you, buddy. Let me see if we have some dino treats. Here you go. I just wish this worked for park rangers. Where could he be?
I should have had Naomi come into the T-Rex area. She has the dino sneaks. Oh, ew! Ew, T-Bone's lunch. Ew, why is it mushy? Ew. Wait a minute. Why didn't T-Bone finish his lunch? Oh no! Maybe that means he ate Park Ranger Asher! Or those secret dino agents took him away. Oh, they're always causing trouble around here. Oh no, T-Rex! He ate Asher! Okay, that's it, T-Bone! Come on, let's go, you and me, put him up! Oh, that's why he didn't finish his lunch. He's arguing with Pete. Oh, but where's Park Ranger Asher?
Huh? Oh no! Ah! I can't run! My foot's still asleep! Oh! Boxes! Hey! Get off my boxes! This is not a good box fart!
Oh no! A T-Rex ranch patch! This must belong to Asher! Did you step on Park Ranger Asher? Did you? Where is he? Don't make me put you in the corner!
Hey! What are you chewing? I didn't leave any food out here. That's not Asher, is it? Okay, that's it. You spit him out right now. Ah! Ew! Dino saliva! I said spit him out. Don't spit on me.
Calling all park rangers.
Ew.
Code, Sleepyfoot. A Triceratops is coming for me, and I can't run. My foot's asleep.
Park Ranger Asher, you're okay. Wait, where are you?
Near the exercise zone. Near base camp.
Copy that. I'm on my way.
Which leg is it?
This one.
We go! Ow! Sorry, I was just trying.
Get out of here, T-Tops. This is our spot.
See ya. Yes. Thank goodness.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I was hiding in that box for you.
Hiding? We literally almost got eaten by a dino bird because of you.
Sorry, I took a quick break, and then I fell asleep, and then my foot fell asleep.
Okay, well, let's get you back to the tables for now, okay? Come on, let's go.
That way, that way.
This way, this way, this way.
I know how important running drills are.
Yeah, I think I went a little overboard with the rocks though.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, I have something of yours.
My patch! It must have fallen off when I was doing my running drills. Okay. Mission log 646. Everything in moderation, even exercise. Ugh. And I got dino saliva on my hat earlier when I was out looking for you.
Sorry.
I know a way he can make it up to us. Dino duty duty.
Oh man. Okay.
Don't forget these.
Okay.
Have fun.
Don't forget the Giganotosaurus paddock.